Hey, what's up? It's day 7 of the 100 Days of Code video series. I've got a really cool project to build today. So take a look at this. You're going to see two screens, and the first screen is basically the initial setup, and the second screen is pretty much the meat and potatoes. So what I'm going to build is kind of like a ChatGPT clone, except we can create our own personalities. So we can choose what type of bot we want to interact with. We can choose from normal, sassy, poetic, or even funny. I think this is going to be a pretty fun build, and I'm going to do this in two parts. So the first part, today's video, is going to be on that first screen, which is kind of like the initial setup. We're going to set this up to where a user can select a personality that they want to chat with, and in the next video we're going to actually create the basically ChatGPT clone with this personality. It should be a lot of fun, but as always I'm going to speed through me building out the first part, and I will see you at the end of the video. Alright, so part 1 is pretty much finished. We can now click on each one of these personalities and we get a short description about the type of bot that we can use. And next video, we're going to actually work on the actual ChatGPT clone part of this. So I will see you in the next video.